Hey YouTube, I'm Justin-Rayne and I am here. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of scared, I'm kind of nervous. I'm sure you guys can see it, but we're doing it anyway. Hey YouTube! Hey! Oh my gosh, I am so happy to be here today and so happy to be releasing this video. My name is Justin-Rayne. I know it's like a weird thing. You're like, is it a stage name? Is he just trying to be bougie or trying to, like, you know, be kind of classy or whatever the heck it is? It is hyphenated. I'm sure you guys have met Southern people with those names. Either way, we are going to be making it rain on this channel. If you don't know me already from Instagram or social media, I'm an actor, model, podcaster, and just overall content creator. I love creating content about the things that I love, and that's actually what brought me here to YouTube. During this time in the Ponderosa, we will not talk about what happened in 2020. I was like, yo, you got these skills, you got talents. Took time to sharpen the talents, because we were all in lockdown, so I was just sitting on Sephora and Ulta buying.
Clothes.
Treat yourself.
Fragrances.
Treat yourself.
Massages.
Treat yourself.
Mimosas.
Treat yourself.
Fine leather goods.
Treat yourself.
To be honest with you guys, I haven't seen a lot of guys that look like me on here. Have you?
No.
And I'm sure you guys are also wondering, oh my gosh, another person here on YouTube, why is he here? Well, I'm not sure you've seen a lot of guys that look like me, right? And personally, I haven't seen a lot of guys that look like me on this platform doing the things and talking about the things that I actually love. And I was like, you know what, Justin? You do so many other things on Instagram, check the receipts. On Twitter, check the receipts.
To bring the receipts, baby girl, because I got receipts.
And on so many other platforms, why not take your skills, your talents, your resources over there as well and see if you can bring some value and help some other people along the way. To say that I've gotten really good at the things I love is an understatement, and I just thought that it would be a great opportunity and a missed opportunity if I did not bring my talents and skills over here to YouTube. For so long, I have been interested and have invested so much time professionally and personally in skincare, beauty, grooming, style, you name it. Being in front of the camera, you have to do a lot of work to make sure that your skin is together. I can tell you about the craziest fittings that I've had as a model. You name it. Even as an actor. As a man of color, translucent powder can make you look gray if you don't have the right shade. So, to sum up what I'll be talking about on this channel, if you guys cannot tell, look at this again. I know. Yes, I want you to get your skin just like mine. I want to share the tips. I want to share my mistakes. I want to share all the things that I've learned through the years, through trial and error, some successfully, some not so successfully. I just discovered something recently a few weeks ago. I was using a face oil as a serum, even though it was advertised. I should have been using it as a face oil after reading the ingredients. But you are never too old to be wrong. And I was like, you know what, bitch? Just do better. Aside from skincare, I'll be doing vlogs. I'm sure I'll be taste testing things because, look at me, I clearly eat. Doing reactions, reviews. You guys will get to see all the cool, crazy things. Come on photo shoots when I'm creating content for my podcast or just modeling or acting or whatever. And hell, you guys tell me what you guys want to see me do in the comments and I will do just that. Perhaps if it's within reason. Come on now, don't get crazy. But I am here and I'm so excited to be kicking my channel off with this Just Skin skincare series. Yes, Just Skin is going to be so much fun. You may have some products you guys can even try. And most importantly, I'll be doing giveaways. Yes, you guys heard that right. For the first year of my channel, this is my 30th year. I am challenging myself to do this channel in my year of yes, so my 30th year. I will be giving away $30 every month. You guys just have to listen to the end of the video to find out how to enter to win. My entire goal of this channel is to explore and share the things that I love, talk about some of the things that I'm starting to like, share with you all things that I'm discovering or coming to like or want to even find out more about, and do a little bit of research and debunk them for you guys and for myself, because to be honest, I was gonna do the research and figure it out anyway, so why not just share it and provide a little bit of value for you all. Other than that, everybody has been asking me to start a channel so that they can learn how to get skin like this. I mean, just look at the material. The skin is in, and definitely my skin. I put a lot of time, energy, and moolah, baby, into this mug. If I haven't self-sabotaged, the first video in my skincare series, Just Skin, will be out. We're gonna cross our fingers, all right? Justin, you didn't do it. You didn't stand in your own way. I hope I didn't. But either way, the Just Skin series will be the first to drop, and hopefully, if self-sabotage hasn't gotten in the way, fingers crossed, you know, the first video in that series will be out, and I'm so excited for you to see that, because we will be helping you guys build your own skincare routine. Quick, fast, and dirty. We don't have to get crazy with it. We'll start out with a starter pack, and then we'll work our way up for the more experienced people. So let's just get into the giveaway, all right? Because I know that's what y'all want to find out at the end of the video. All right, it's my 30th year of existence, or my 30th anniversary, as Mariah Carey would put it. And to celebrate that, and to celebrate the launch of this channel, like I said, I will be giving away $30 of cold, hard cash on Cash App or PayPal or however you get your money. Zelle, if it's legal. I ain't playing with y'all now. Like I said, I'll be giving away $30 of cold hard cash each and every month to a lucky viewer and listener. So here are the details to enter to win. 1, you need to subscribe to this channel. 2, you need to like this video. 3, follow me on Instagram and shout out the channel and share it, whether it be on a post, whether it be your story. Oh yeah, here's the extra bonus. You can do multiple entries. Yes, that's right. If you, for the next 30 days, want to shout out my channel on Instagram, that means you get 30 entries on Instagram. If you want to shout it out on Twitter too, plus the 30 days, each day that you want to shout it out on Instagram, that's 60 times that you get an opportunity to win that $30 of cold hard cash. So hey, go for it, baby. I'm not gonna block your blessing, because $30, that's the tank. That's at least half tank gas, okay? And $30 can probably buy you one of these products that I'm gonna talk about. If not, maybe more than one if we do a drugstore edition. So thank you guys so much for your support. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and please enter to this giveaway. Please share this channel. Thank you guys in advance for your support, and I promise I won't disappoint. I help each and every person in my life with their issues. I'm just passionate about these things, and I know that I can bring some value to your lives as well. So thank you guys so much for watching and checking this out. I can't wait to hear from you all. I can't wait to learn from you guys too. So that's it. I'm Justin-Rayne. Bye, Raindrops. Do you like that name? Let me know in the comments.